Auditing skills, conducting and preparing for food safety audits. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Food Safety Leadership. I'm Felicia, your food safety consultant. Today, we're exploring a crucial aspect of food safety leadership, auditing skills. We'll discuss how to conduct and prepare for food safety audits effectively. Auditing skills, ensuring food safety compliance. Auditing skills are the linchpin of ensuring that your food production meets the highest safety standards and regulations. Let's begin by understanding what food safety audits are and why they are essential. Audits serve the purpose of assessing compliance with regulatory requirements and food safety standards. The role of auditing skills. Auditing skills play a pivotal role in food safety leadership by ensuring that your operation meets and exceeds food safety standards. One of the key functions is conducting audits, which involve thorough inspections of your production processes. Another essential aspect is preparing for audits to ensure a smooth and successful process. Now, let's explore how to implement auditing skills effectively in your food production. Begin by training your auditing team in the principles and techniques of effective auditing. Proper planning is crucial. Prepare a detailed audit plan outlining what will be assessed and when. During the audit, ensure comprehensive data collection through observation, interviews, and documentation. Assess potential risks and areas of concern in your production processes. After the audit, compile a detailed report that highlights findings and recommendations. Work on corrective actions to address any issues identified during the audit. The benefits of auditing skills. Now, let's discuss the benefits auditing skills bring to your food production. Effective auditing skills ensure that your operation remains compliant with food safety regulations. They drive continuous improvement by identifying areas for enhancement. Auditing skills enhance consumer trust by demonstrating a commitment to safety and quality. In summary, auditing skills are not just about ticking boxes, they are a commitment to continuous improvement and excellence in food safety. Before we wrap up, let's go over our auditing skills checklist. Auditing skills checklist. Train our auditing team in effective auditing techniques. Develop a thorough audit plan. Ensure comprehensive data collection during the audit. Assess potential risks and areas of concern. Prepare a detailed audit report. Implement corrective actions for identified issues. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you've gained valuable insights into the importance of auditing skills in food safety leadership. Remember, it's not just a process, it's a commitment to excellence and continuous improvement. If you have any questions or need assistance with developing auditing skills in your facility, feel free to reach out. Follow us on YouTube and Instagram to get more food safety tips like this.